Welcome to the tutorial on connecting your Shopify store to PushEngage. Web push notifications help you engage customers directly on their browsers with no email needed. Let's dive into the setup process. First, visit the Shopify marketplace and install the PushEngage app. Now enter your Shopify store URL. Follow the prompts to authorize the PushEngage app on your Shopify store. This integration allows PushEngage to collect subscribers on your store and send them notifications. Once the setup is completed, you'll be redirected to the PushEngage dashboard. After completing the first two steps, you can create drip campaigns to automate sending notifications based on user behavior. This helps in initial brand awareness or giving them a coupon code after they join your subscriber list. Once the drip campaign is activated, you are all set to create your first push campaign. Create push broadcasts to engage your audience with timely updates and offers. You can use ready-made templates to quickly set up effective campaigns. In the broadcast settings, you can customize the notification look, set the schedule, and choose your audience. Finally, monitor your notification performance and make adjustments as needed. PushEngage makes it simple to keep your customers engaged and boost your Shopify store's performance. In our next video, we will help you activate personalized campaigns like cart abandonment, browse abandonment, price drop alert, and more. Thank you for choosing PushEngage.